Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something I know you are going to love. Creating that warm, cozy vibe in your home that makes you just want to curl up and relax. Whether it's spring, summer, or that crisp fall weather we're feeling today, a cozy atmosphere is a must all year round. So I have put together a list of 10 must-have home decor items to transform your space into a total comfort zone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's jump right in. First up, a plush throw blanket. Nothing screams cozy like wrapping yourself in a soft, fluffy blanket while binge-watching your favorite show. Go for something in a neutral tone or a warm color like burnt orange or beige. It's versatile and adds instant warmth to your couch or bed. Number 2. Scented candles. These are a game changer. Pick a scent that vibes with you. Think vanilla, lavender, or even something woodsy like cedar. Not only do they smell amazing, but that soft flicker of light, total ambience upgrade. And number 3. Textured throw pillows. Swap out those flat, boring pillows for something with a bit of personality, like faux fur, chunky knit, or velvet. Pile a few on your sofa or chair, and you've got a spot that's begging you to sink in. Moving on to number 4. An area rug. If your floors feel cold or bare, a plush rug in a warm hue, like a shaggy beige or a patterned boho style, will tie the room together and make it feel so much cozier underfoot. Number 5. Fairy string lights. These little gems add a magical touch. Drape them over a headboard, around a mirror, or even in a mason jar for a soft, twinkly glow. They're affordable and instantly elevate the mood. And number 6. A comfy accent chair. Picture this. A cozy corner with a boucle or Sherpa chair where you can sip tea and read a book. It's functional, stylish, and oh so inviting.
Number 7. Blackout curtains. Hear me out. These aren't just for sleeping. Heavy curtains in a rich fabric like linen or velvet block out harsh light and make your space feel like a snug retreat. Go for a deep color like navy or taupe. Number 8. A decorative tray. This is perfect for corralling candles, books, or a cute plant on your coffee table. A wooden or rattan one adds that rustic, homey feel we're going for. Number 9. Faux plants. If you are like me and can't keep a real plant alive, a faux olive tree or some eucalyptus branches bring in that natural vibe without the upkeep. They soften the space and make it feel alive. And finally, number 10. A woven basket. Toss in extra blankets, magazines, or even kids' toys. It is storage that looks good. Opt for something in a neutral tone with a bit of texture, and you've got cozy and organized in one. There you have it, 10 must-have items to create a cozy atmosphere in your home. I would love to hear which one is your favorite, so drop it in the comments below. And hey, if you want to bring these ideas to life, I have linked all these products from Amazon down in the description. Just click those links to shop and make your space as cozy as mine. Before you go, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and give this video a like. It means the world to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cozy, friends.